Government of Manipur orders temporary suspension of internet and data services including broadband, VPN and VSAT across the entire UKHRUL, Kamjong and Kangpokpi district for 5 days, citing concerns over law and order. According to an official order issued by State Home Department, internet suspension in UKHRUL district come into effect at 11:30 a.m. today, while internet suspension in Kamjong and Kangpokpi district come effect from 5:30 p.m. The government stated that the move was taken as a preventive and precautionary measures amidst apprehensions that anti-social elements could misuse social media to spread inflammatory contains false rumors and provocative messages that could disrupt public peace and communal harmony. The order was issued under Rule 3 of Temporary Suspension of Telecommunication Services, Rule 2024. All internet services providers have been directed to ensure strict compliance, and any violations of the directives may invite legal action.